This video is not for persons under the age of 13. By watching this video, you are declaring that you are above 13 years of age. Hello and welcome to our video today. This is a video looking at how I'm getting on with my 365 days focus art challenge. Diane at Artfully Yours with Diane has set this up for us. What you do with this challenge is we're going to be doing it for a full year, and it can start whenever you want. It doesn't have to be one period of time or whatever, as long as it's 365 days, and you focus in on something that you want to focus in on. I know Diana's focusing on painting faces. For me, it's going to be looking at how I can improve the quality and consistency of the paintings that I do, and I'll also be doing regular updates to show you what I'm doing. And what you're seeing now, this show reel, is some of the paintings that I've been doing this year. Now, they're not always going to be paintings. Some are pencil sketches like this squirrel that you're seeing now, but we can look at all sorts of different things. Whatever you want to look at, the focus is up to you, so long as you do that over a period of the 365 days or 1 year. There are already several people who signed up to do this, and they're all doing their own focus, which is nice because we can all concentrate on what we need to concentrate on. And Diane will be supporting this, and I'll be supporting it with videos. It's not just about doing the art. I'm going to be creating videos for tutorials that follow along with these pictures. They're not always paintings, they're sometimes drawings. So we hope that you'll get involved and enjoy the next 365 days whenever you want to start. Focusing in on a long-term project can be daunting, but will help in the long run to give you a consistent, good and satisfied form of artwork. So we hope that this will be something you take on this year, and show us what you do with the hashtag. All information is below in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you later.